Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So I'm super excited to share these cards that I've made because I used a die set that I have been wanting forever, and I always would put it in my cart and then I take it out and I think, yeah, you don't need that, and then I put it in and take it out. So I finally went ahead and purchased it. So I'm very excited to show you the cards that I made. But I also want to show you all the items that I used to make the card. So first up, I used this Julie Nutting paper pad. So this was super popular for me when I was using the Julie Nutting dolls, and it had the different color with the writing paper or the skin tones that you could use for the dolls. So this was actually my second one, but I really love this paper pad and totally enjoyed using it again this time around. I think I have a little piece of cardstock under that doesn't go. So let's see. Then I also used to make the cards this Pink Fresh Studio stamp set. No, this is not the Pink Fresh Studio. Here's the Pink Fresh Studio. Pink Fresh Studio stamp set. And this one is the basic banners. And so I've shown this several times. It's one stamp that you stamp, and then the die is all together, and then you just cut out all the pieces at the same time. Super fond of this. The next one I used was from the Stamp Market. I think this is like my third video maybe showing items that I purchased and used from the Stamp Market. And it's these banners here that I just love. They're called Bitty Banners. And the actual die for the banner comes in this set called the Spring Wreath Builder. So maybe one day I'll use that to make a wreath along with using the banner. But I just think this is super adorable. Let's see. I also used, got a stack here. I used some Spellbinders Fashion Oysters. It's 120 self-adhesive embellishments. And then I used the Spectrum AB Color Essential Gems. And these are really beautiful. See that purple? And then an oldie but a goodie. This one is from Neat and Tangled. And they were just black, shiny, and then the gold, kind of metallic-y looking ones. These adhesive gems, love those. And then I used this cute little embossing footer from COPPA with dots. I don't know if you can see it. You'll be able to see it on the card that I share. And then another embossing photo from Doris, and it's just little tiny flowers. And once again, you'll see it on the card. I used the Spellbinders. Which one is this? It's the Fancy Edge Ovals. And then I used from Gina Marie Designs her, I always have to pull these out because I put the name on the back. Rick Rack Nested Ovals. So all of that was used to make the cards that I'm going to share with you. So oh, and I need to show the die. Sorry. I scared myself there. So here's the die set. This is the Cameo, and it's from Spellbinders. And like I said, I have looked at this over and over and thought, I don't need that. But then I went ahead and purchased it, and I am so glad I did. So let's move along to the cards. So first up, I got this little blue creation here, and this super cute card. And this is using the Pink Fresh Studio Basic Banners. Sentiment here, best wishes. And then I just used some cardstock from my stash, and this is from Anna Griffin, her I can't think what it's called, cardstock. And then there's the little Cameo, and I popped her up on some foam tape. I actually die cut this one out like 5 times and still popped it up, and I just thought it was so adorable. Super cute. I love that card. And then I didn't have one of the background ovals, and I just put this one down, and it's just so cute. And I love the colors. And this is the gold cardstock from Spellbinders. This Birthday Blessing I have in my stash. And then there's a little gold gems from Neat and Tangle. And look at her little choker. It's even gold too. Super pretty. And then next one up is Orange Creation. I love orange. And then this one I use the florals that come in the die set. And this one is using the Pink Fresh Studio basic banners. And isn't that adorable? Isn't she cute? I love that I used the paper with the writing on it. It's so pretty. So this was a little bit time consuming, you know, getting the little flowers on here, but I think it was well worth it. I think it's super cute. Super cute card. And then next up is this purple creation. So this is kind of following the design of the die set. You know, in the back they have the sample. On the front they have the sample, and it has the her with the headband made of flowers, and then they use the larger flowers at the bottom and then the smaller flowers at the top. So that's what I did on this one. I used the larger, these bottom 4 flowers are the larger flower, and then these are the little ones, and then her headband is the little ones. And so this is where I used that basic banner. Is this basic banner? This is the Stamp Market. I'm sorry, Spring Wreath Builder and Bitty Banners. Yeah. And then I put a little gem on her necklace there, her choker. I think it's so cute. So, like I said, I was really excited to make these cards. And now on this one, I used just the small flowers all around. I didn't use the larger ones at the bottom, nor did I give her a headband or a choker. I just thought it was so cute. Once again. And then last but not least. So let me know which one is your favorite. You know, I always gravitate toward the orange cards because that's my favorite color. But I don't know. I think maybe the purple one might win out for me today. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching, everyone. I want to thank you for watching my channel and subscribing. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you've been along with me for the whole journey, you know I appreciated you and every thumbs up that you give me. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a nice day.